Ali Abdaal is doing this. Dan Lok is doing this. Gary Vee is urging everyone to do this. Uncle Roger is also doing this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. If you ask me what is the one skill to learn and master in order for you to make money online, it is definitely going to be content creation. At the beginning of the video, those big gurus out there are urging everyone to do the same, especially Gary Vee is asking everyone to do content creation because this is a very effective marketing method in the online world. People consume content like crazy every single day, and that is why we need to learn this skill so that we are able to capture our own audience and turn our audience into profit. A very good and simple example will be Uncle Roger. So Uncle Roger blew up overnight, and because he has been doing content on a regular basis, and right now I can see that he has a few types of monetization on his YouTube channel. He creates a personal branding and he has a very big pool of fans, and the way that he monetizes his content is by brand sponsorship as well as selling his own merchandise. So this is just the two ways how a content creator make money online. I have been a content creator since the late of 2018. I started on Instagram as well as YouTube. But my YouTube performed better and it is easier for me to monetize on YouTube because I like to create video content. You see, content creation doesn't need to be only a photo format or just text format. It can be in the video form as well as static images. So you can choose which type of format that you prefer, which platform that you prefer. So for me, I love video making, and that's why I went into YouTube. So in today's video, I just want to share what are the multiple streams of income that I have created since the start of my content creation journey. Up till today, I have created about 6 income streams from content creation alone. I do have other streams of income, but those are really very little, whereby I only want to focus on those that created consistent monthly income for me. The very first stream of income that I have gotten ever since I have become a content creator is brand deal. So the moment I started being active and creating some content on Instagram, I think within a month I already gotten my very first brand deal. A brand approached me to do a video. They will pay me for the video plus product sponsorship as well. Till today, I'm still receiving brand deals and brand collabs from different brands every single month. Most of these brands approach me through my YouTube content as well as TikTok contents. I didn't really grow much on Instagram. It's pretty slow growing because I just want to focus on YouTube and TikTok. So most of my clients come from YouTube and TikTok. The second stream of income after being a content creator will be through YouTube Partner Program. So this is purely getting income from the YouTube AdSense. In order for you to be eligible for this YouTube Partner Program is you need to at least have a 1,000 subscribers and a 4,000 hours of watch time. The earning from YouTube Partner Program is not a lot. I only earn about a few $1,000s per year, which is really little because my following is almost 10,000 followers. But I would still say that YouTube gave me the highest revenue because I do promote other products on YouTube, and my biggest revenue all came from that. That leads me to the next income stream, which is affiliate marketing. If you notice that all my videos have links to products. Some of them are affiliate links, which the products or the services that I've used and I like them, I will search around if the brand or the business has affiliate marketing program. So through an affiliate marketing program, the brand is going to offer you a commission. Through this affiliate marketing program, you'll be given an affiliate link. So when your audience click on the affiliate link and the person purchase something from the link, you will get a cut from it. And that is what I call it the commission. Besides affiliate marketing, I also have links to my digital products. So one of my digital product will be my online course. If you have been following me, you know that I am an online business coach, and based on demand, I do have online courses that teach people how to build your own profitable online business. On my first year of starting my content creation journey on YouTube, I was sharing a lot about how I make money through dropshipping and selling products online. Slowly, I realized that most of my audience are very interested to know how I make money online. And because I see this demand, I went on to learn how to create online course, and many of my audience benefited from my online course. That is how I've grown my YouTube channel, and my content creation has since revolve around this topic. If you are new to content creation, if you have no idea what topic to talk about, my advice to you is just start with something that interests you the most and a topic that you can talk about the most. Just like myself, I started off blindly and I don't know what I'm doing. I just post lifestyle videos, and I enjoy a lot telling people and sharing about my story, being a mom struggling at home, wanting to earn money comfortably at home while taking care of my kids. So I just test around with different types of contents until I know one type of content that my audience really can resonate with, and that is when you know that this content really suits you and you should focus more on this type of content. Being a content creator is a very long game, but it's a very sustainable and profitable in the long run. Every year, there will be some kind of new monetization opportunities for content creator. I will talk more about this later on. Content creation not just gave me income stream from selling products or affiliate marketing, it also attracted clients for my job servicing business, and that is through content marketing. By providing consistent and valuable content for my job servicing business, I managed to get clients without having to pay for expensive advertisements. This is because if you create good and valuable content, this will help attract organic clients to your job servicing business. However, if you want to create content for businesses, there are strategies involved, which I will be talking more on another video about content marketing. Content marketing is not just very effective for my business, but it was also very effective for my students who are in my job servicing accelerator program. One of my students took my advice and posted her services on LinkedIn and created content on a regular basis on LinkedIn. Just 2 weeks into her content creation journey on LinkedIn, she managed to get an organic client signing for a social media management package without the need to pay for any advertisement. If you're interested to learn about job servicing, I have a full complete program. I will leave a link up here as well as down in the description box below. Earlier on, I mentioned about the opportunities for content creators changes every single year, and the next income stream that I have discovered this year is user-generated content. We call it UGC, and this user-generated content is very similar to brand deals, but you are creating the content for the brand without the need to post on your own social media profiles. So here is the difference between the brand deals versus UGC. For brand deals, you are supposed to have a big following and the brand approach you to create content for them, and you need to post it on your own social media platforms to leverage on your own audience. But for UGC, it's different. If you have a very little following, you can still make this work because brand appreciate your content creation skill. If you are very active on TikTok, then UGC is definitely for you. I stumbled upon this UGC term from TikTok platform, and ever since I know about this term and I know about this stream of income, I charge my client differently. Of course, I charge my client higher. This is because with UGC, you are like the videographer as well as the content creator combined. So you're creating the content, the video, and you pass the video file to the company. And because of this, you have the right to charge extra for the usage rights. Most of the brands that are looking for UGC creators, they want the video or the content for advertisement purposes. This is very similar to creating an advertisement in a form of video for the brand. And because the company is using your content for advertisement purposes, you as a creator can charge for your usage right fees. And with this usage right, you have the very high chance to get a recurring income out of this UGC. So I'm very excited about this new income stream. If you want me to talk more about UGC, I'm happy to do so. Let me know in the comments below or comment UGC so I will speak more about this new stream of online income in my future videos. I hope you get some inspiration and some motivation from my video today. Being a content creator is a long journey, but I would say that it is a very fun journey for me because I love creating content and I can combine my passion, or I can combine the things that I love to do and turn it into a business. So this way, I love what I'm doing. At the same time, it helped me to create multiple streams of income for me. If this is something that you would like to do as well, do let me know in the comments below and I shall do more of this type of videos. You can leave a comment down below which of the 6 income streams that you want me to talk more about. That's all for my sharing today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!